How to quit music. 1. Bad death. Many cases were witnessed of people when reminded of the Shahada during death repeated song lyrics instead. Imagine ending up like them. 2. Delete it. Delete all songs from all your devices, replace them with Quran or du'as or Islamic lectures. 3. Fear Allah. Whenever you are about to listen to music, ask yourself, Allah is watching me. Should I really anger my Creator by such worthless sin, pleasing Shaitan? 4. Repentance. Make a sincere repentance, ask Allah to help you, strengthen you, and make you steadfast. 5. Give up. Always remind yourself with this, whoever gives up something for the sake of Allah, Allah will substitute him with something better. I know, for some people it's hard to get rid of music at first, but trust me, if you can replace with Quran you will feel the peace and happiness in your heart. May Allah bless you all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Wishing you all the best, and I hope to see you in Jannah.